Wow, I've not had this issue for a long time where the sun is right in my face. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another 15-minute healthy meal. It is 12:58 right now and I have been on emails all morning and I need a healthy quick lunch. So I'm going to make delicious Indian style scrambled egg, which is Anda Bhurji as we call it in Hindi. So let's get this. Literally, I don't know how many minutes it'll take. A few. Let's do this. Before that, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and if there is anything you want to see in this series of healthy meals in 15 minutes, then please let me know and I will try my best to create them for you guys. Now this I am just cooking for one person myself. So I'm going to start with one onion. You can use red, pink, white, whatever you like. Even shallots will work absolutely fine in this. Along with the onions, I have got here, now I don't add this every time, I must admit, because I've got them at home and I personally love them. So if I have them at home, then I'll add a few curry leaves. And I like to chop them up because then you can just eat it. It's got lots of good qualities and also a little bit of chili, which I will finally chop. And now get a pan nice and hot. Just a little bit of oil of choice. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Then everything goes in. And just give it 3-4 minutes. Just you want to soften them up and just beginning to get some color. So maybe 5 minutes on medium heat. And I'm just going to chop up, oh, smells so heavenly. I'm going to chop up a tomato as well. So I don't need a whole tomato for this. That'll be too much for one person. So I'm going to use half and chop this up. So you can see it's softened and it's just beginning to get some color. I am going to add the tomato. Now this will also take 3 to 4 minutes to soften up. So I'm going to let it happen and chop up some coriander. You can use other herbs of your choice. So if you are not a coriander fan, you could use parsley, you could use dill, you could even use chives, no mint. Yeah, clearly I am nothing against coriander, so I am using this. Okay, let's check on the tomatoes. Don't know about you, but I usually go for 3 eggs for lunch. I'm going to get a little salt. This is to taste. I would say 1/4 teaspoon. Also a little pinch of chili according to taste. 1/4 teaspoon. And going to add coriander. I don't want to cook the coriander, which is why I'm adding it to the eggs. So there's a reason to add it to the eggs. You can add it to the pan too. It's no difference. Okay, not no difference, but good mix. Let's go to the hob. So I'm going to now increase the heat. This was on medium low heat. Increase the heat. This is cooked perfectly. So we've added lots of chili, so we don't need to add any more heat. There's flavor from the herbs and the eggs. That should be good. Now we add the eggs. Give it a minute. Also get a slice of bread. I've just got this middle bit left. I'm going to toast it quickly. Now it has had a minute. I'm going to scramble it up. You don't want to overcook this either. This is almost done, just a few more seconds. Here is our toast. Do not judge my butter quantity. It's super cold and I don't count calories, so that's a good thing. Okay, how am I going to place this? Let's do it this way. And here it is. Look at that. Now you can use a fork and knife. I actually, to be extremely honest, I just pick up the slices and eat it, but I will use this for the camera. I don't know how I kind of got to this corner, but I'm going in. It's so good. If you like scrambled eggs and you haven't tried Indian Anda Bhurji, Indian scrambled eggs, then you're missing out. And I can't tell you how badly. So please do try this. Let me know your thoughts and comments. I love reading your comments, replying to them. So don't forget to leave a comment. Do you prefer Anda Bhurji or do you prefer scrambled eggs? Let me know. Hope you're enjoying these healthy recipes in 15 minutes. I'll see you back very soon. Bye for now. You know what? I might just add a bit of chili oil on top because you know what? It's hot, but it's not like kicking.